In this problem, let's solve by any method. Let's solve 5x squared plus 7x equals to 4. The first thing we need to do is to set this equal to 0. So let's subtract 4 from both sides. So we'll have 5x squared plus 7x minus 4 is equal to 0. Now, the first method we should try is factoring, because that's the easiest. But notice, we can't get 7 out of that. We'd have 5 and 1 and 4 and 2. So unfortunately, we have to do another method. So let's do the quadratic formula. So to do the quadratic formula, we need to identify our coefficients. So A is the coefficient of the squared term, which is 5. B is the coefficient of the x term, which is 7. And C is the coefficient of the constant, which is negative 4. So what is our quadratic formula? Well, it's x equals to minus b plus or minus the square root of b squared minus 4ac over 2a. So let's plug in. We'll have minus b, which is 7, so this will be minus 7 plus or minus the square root of 7 squared minus 4 times a, which is 5, times c, which is negative 4, all over 2 times a, which is 5. So if we simplify, we'll have negative 7 plus or minus the square root. 7 squared is 49 minus, well, we have two negatives, so we'll make that a positive. 4 times 5 is 20, times 4 is 80, over 2 times 5 is 10. So we get negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 49 plus 80 will be 129 over 10. Since 129 does not have a perfect square in it, we have to leave it as the square root of 129. So that's our solution. Negative 7 plus or minus the square root of 129 over 10.